You'll need a visa for Europe soon. Technically, it's not a visa, but a fee is involved. Currently, Americans only need a valid passport to visit to countries in the European Union, EU, but that's soon going to change. Beginning early next year, people from approximately 60 countries around the world, including the US and Canada, will need a new type of travel authorization to enter the EU. Here's what to know. Will Americans need a visa to travel to Europe? Starting in early 2024, Americans will need to apply for and receive travel authorization via the European Travel Information and Authorization System, ETIAS, in order to visit one of the 30 countries that are members of the EU. While it will be a new part of the travel and immigration process, it's technically not a visa. A fee will be involved, but the process will be online and faster than getting a visa. How to get ETIAS travel authorization? As of this writing, the ETIAS application process has not yet opened, nor has the EU announced the program's official start date, but here's what we know so far. The basics. 1. ETIAS travel authorization is for short-term stays, typically up to 90 days in any 180-day period, the same length currently granted to U.S. passport holders. 2. It does not guarantee entry. A border guard will ask to see your passport and other documents upon arrival, and verify that you meet the country's entry conditions. 3. ETIAS travel authorization will be valid for 3 years, or until your passport expires, whichever comes first. E.g., if your passport is valid for 2 years, your ETIAS will also be valid for 2 years. The cost. 1. It costs €7, roughly $8, for people ages 18-70. 2. There is no cost for people 17 and younger, and 71 and older. 3. There is also no cost family members of EU citizens. The application process. 1. Applicants fill out a short online form, providing contact and biographical information, passport details, travel plans, travel history, and security information. 2. Most applications are processed within minutes. Some will take longer, but usually no more than 4 days. 3. If your application is refused, you'll receive an email providing the reasons for this decision, as well as the appeal process. 4. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.